So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Badger 5 1/2 horsepower garbage disposal. We've done some work out before. Homeowner called us and let us know that they had some leaking going on down here. We got out the old guy that's sitting in this box right there. Water was dripping out all around the bottom, which means, you know, this is the new one here, but you can see there's some screws that pop through the bottom, so water dripping off every screw, which means the basket's failed, the housing's failed, and water's escaping, so nothing you can do for repair. So anyways, all we did was just pop the old one out, which is a 1/3. We got a 1/2 here. They're about $10 difference. No big deal. And then just reconnected everything. So none of the plumbing back there is ours. Looks like they got a newer faucet back there. The waste kit that they've assembled, that it looks specific to the original installation. We did replace the flange. So the mounting flange that comes with it, we put it in there. We don't like to just mount it to the old one, even though it would fit. We got that guy in there, brand new putty, brand new disposal, got it plugged in, ran it, everything sounds good. Ran a bunch of water down it, no leaks, no runs, no errors. Outside of that, this installation is done.